Hello.
Hello and welcome to today's class. Today we'll be talking about other types of simple machines. We'll be talking about gears, inclined planes, wedges, and screws. A gear is a wheel with teeth around its edges. As we can see above, the two pictures above shows a perfect example of gears. Gears work in interlocking pairs so that when one gear turns, the other one does the same, therefore transferring the same force or energy applied to one gear to as many gears as possible, as indicated by the arrows below. Now let's look at application of gears in our daily lives. We can see the application of gears in cars, in bicycles, in clocks, wristwatches, in motorcycles, and in most mechanical electronic devices around us. Also, talking about an inclined plane. An inclined plane, also known as a ramp, is a flat supporting surface tilted at an angle. A wedge is formed when two inclined planes are joined together such that one end is sharp and the other is blunt. It can be used to cut things in stuffs like a knife and axe are all examples of a wedge. A screw is another type of inclined plane. It is formed when an inclined plane is wrapped around a straight rod shape or structure. It has a spirally grooved surface with a pointed end, which is used to hold things together. A wedge is also a special type of inclined plane that has two or more surfaces that slope to an edge or point. Almost all machines that cut uses a wedge. Things like knives, axes, and most sharp tools are all examples of wedge, as they also help to make work easier and faster. Alright friends, it's time for your activity for today. Read the questions and answer it appropriately in your science notebook. And see you in class next time. Do have a great day. Bye bye.